Need some extra cash? Here's an app to make money, just by going shopping. It's called Ibotta, and it lets you earn cash back on your purchases, especially at the grocery store, and even for items that you already have coupons for. Follow these 5 steps to get started. Step 1. Choose the store. Different stores have different offers, so you'll want to check everywhere you shop. Walmart, Kroger, Aldi, and hundreds more. They're all on Ibotta. Step 2. Select your deals. Before you go shopping, just click on an item to see details and add it to your list. When you add an offer, you may have to watch a video or answer a question. This only takes a few seconds. Most Ibotta offers are for specific brands, but products in the any item category let you earn cash back on your preferred brand, even a generic. Step 3. Go shopping. At the store, review your deals under the My Offers tab. When you click on an offer, double-check the details and scan the product barcode to make sure that you have the correct item. Always ask for a receipt at checkout. You'll need it next. Step 4. Redeem. Redeem offers by taking a photo of your receipt from the Ibotta app. Some stores let you connect a loyalty card and don't require that you submit a printed receipt. Ibotta matches your offers and awards you the cash. Step 5. Cash out. Ready to get paid? You can cash out via PayPal, Venmo, or a gift card once you've earned $20 in the app. But there are more ways to earn cash back from Ibotta. Bonuses let you earn additional money if you redeem deals in a certain group. You can also earn bonuses through teamwork. Build your team by sharing your referral code with friends and family. When they earn, it helps you earn bonus cash. You can also use Ibotta for online shopping. Access participating retailers via the app and earn a percentage cash back from your order. Just make sure you read the fine print for each site. Now that you know how, go ahead and earn cash back with Ibotta. Share your Ibotta tips below, and if you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to our channel.